Digital transformation, already underway at most companies, has become vital as the world embraces a flexible, agile workforce, working in the office, remotely, or often a hybrid of the two. This puts significant pressure on IT to deliver intuitive and frictionless access to enterprise information and services, regardless of work location. With a Matrix 42 Enterprise Service Management Platform, you have the agility and automation to make employee experience your differentiator. Let's see how. Setting up your first employee service requires just 3 steps. 1. Add your corporate branding. 2. Connect to your existing IT infrastructure. And 3. Select a workflow template and customize it to your needs. Let's start with the first step. Log into the Matrix 42 SaaS solution with your credentials. You'll want your employee services to have the familiar look and feel of your brand. Let's start by putting in your company's logo and your brand color scheme. You can apply different layout templates and save them as a scheme for later use. There are also options to localize to your language and region. After you make your selections, preview how it looks and confirm your choices. You're now ready to go. The next step is to integrate and connect the new Matrix 42 SaaS solution to your existing IT infrastructure. Let's start with your enterprise identity service, such as Microsoft Azure Active Directory. Just type in your domain, tenant ID, and authorization, and Matrix 42 is connected and ready to leverage your user and group information, including future changes. This will allow you to maintain appropriate secure access to integrated applications. You can also upload additional information via file import. For example, if you upload cost center and departmental structures, workflows can leverage that information for approval cycles. If you have a client management solution such as Microsoft SCCM or Citrix, you can import asset information and application data as well, bringing all your software and hardware assets under management in a master configuration management database. Now we're ready to design a workflow. With a Matrix 42 platform and its ready-to-use templates, you can create a customized workflow in minutes and modify it just as easily as your needs or policies change. Let's start with a common workflow, ordering from a service catalog. The quickest way to get started is to select from our library of workflow templates. Let's select the one-step approval template, as it is close to what we need. We'll name our workflow and select an appropriate icon. Most likely, your organization has process and business controls to standardize key procedures. For example, certain services might need manager approval, or if they're above a certain amount, finance approval as well. With the low-code Workflow Studio and its intuitive drag-and-drop editor, anyone can design workflows, add steps, define conditions, etc. to get exactly what you need. Let's take our service catalog request. The template takes us most of the way. But let's say we want to insert an additional approval step for the business unit manager. As you see, it is a drag-and-drop exercise. Now let's make another modification, an additional approval step. We'll create a branch where requests under $1,000 are automatically approved, but more expensive items need a CFO approval. Now, we're ready to deploy our new workflow. As an employee, here's what you'll see when you initiate a service request. You simply select the item, add it to your shopping cart, and confirm the request. Now you can see the workflow running based on the value of your selected item. And you can monitor where it is in the process until it is approved. Matrix 42 has a proven platform with fast time to value, pre-built templates and integrations, and a low-code builder for exceptional service agility and automation. Empower your employees. Empower your enterprise. Deliver an exceptional employee experience with Matrix 42.